everybody, and welcome back to Randa Nutrition. Today, we are going to be talking about how to live a healthier life when you're a busy mom. I'm a busy mom, you're a busy mom. Um, we all need as much help as we can. It's not easy to live this lifestyle that we keep seeing on Instagram and on social media, and we're just like, how are these people doing it? I don't even have the time for myself. Like, how can I make myself a priority? You just got to do it. So I'm gonna lay out some tips for you that'll be helpful. First, you got to prioritize yourself, and I know you've heard the analogy before about the airplane masks, about how in case of an emergency you need to put the mask on yourself first before helping the person beside you, whether they're your children or whatever. It's the same thing here. If you're in poor health, you're not going to be able to be as busy or get the things done that you want to get done anyway. So prioritize your health and get that going. Really simple tips that have worked for me are, one, you're going to have to eat healthier. And I know this is where a lot of the questions come from, going, oh, I don't have time to cook. I don't have time to eat healthier. It's just so much easier to go through the drive-through after, extracurriculars, which I guess that's not really relevant right now, but then cook at home. So what's going to save you is meal prep. After I go live, I'm going to upload a reel on my Instagram, just like a quick tip on how I meal prep. I made a video for you, but meal prepping helps. And I'm not talking about cooking every single meal ahead of time. You can if you want, but for me and my schedule, that's not realistic. So I'm talking chop up your veggies ahead of time. That way, when you're cooking dinner every day, you can just dump them in. You take an hour at the beginning of the week, and it saves so much time throughout the week, I should say. So do some meal prep. Make sure you have healthy snacks that you can grab and go. So I'm talking carrots and hummus. Chop up the carrots or buy baby carrots. Have them so something you can just grab and go. You don't have to worry about like prepping things. So that's what I do. Otherwise, I won't eat healthy. If I have to go and cut up some fruits and vegetables versus grab a granola bar or some chips or something from the closet, I'll go do the latter. So do that. Carrots and hummus. What else are some quick tips? Chia puddings. Make a big salad at the beginning of the week, like a quinoa salad, so you can have that, every lunch. But chia puddings or overnight oats or something like that, that's going to sustain you, fuel you. You could also cook up some oats at the beginning of the week, and then every day, like, add some extra stuff in there to like make it different. That's another tip where, again, it's kind of just like grab and go. It's quick. And then kids, same thing. It's super easy breakfast for the kids. Because your food is your fuel. That's what's going to keep you going so you can get through your busy day, so you can get through changing diapers and chasing after your toddler while still trying to get work done, and then going for a walk or whatever you need to do, because it's tiring. It does, not just for your physical, but your mental. It's tough. I mean, I get it. I'm here working. My daughter is watching Coco Melon in the next room. She'll probably come in here at some point and get demanding because that's just who she is. And it's a lot on our mental space because we are always juggling all these activities. Another snack idea would be apples with either peanut butter. I like to microwave them with a little bit of cinnamon. Add some Greek yogurt for dipping because it kind of tastes like not ice cream, but there's like an ice cream thing there. Also melt some dark chocolate. Dip them in there. And I'm not saying eating healthy doesn't include chocolate because that would just suck. Same thing with pizza. You're going to have a pizza because like this is everyday life here. Have a slice or two with a side of salad and some veggie sticks on the side. Again, that's eating healthy. That is balancing out your diet. I would also say you should, on top of eating healthier, schedule out your workouts. And I know a lot of you are like, I don't work out. I'm not just talking about like workouts like at the gym or online or whatever. You can schedule in a time for you to go for a walk around the neighborhood. But write it down on your calendar or your planner or your online calendar, whatever it is you use, schedule in that time so you actually make time to do it. It also feels really good. Like on my planner, I always have workout, or sometimes I'll put the workout that I'm going to do, and it just feels good to check that off. So schedule in your workouts. It'll get you more energy for the rest of the day, and it helps with your overall health. I'm talking about your heart, everything. Like it's not just about your weight and your appearance. It's good for your mental health too. I personally went a few weeks without my workouts. Has been the longest I've gone. And I just was not doing good. And I started up again this week, and it's just like, oh yeah, that was it. That's what I needed. Drink more water. Take your body weight, divide it by 2. That's how many ounces of water you should be drinking at minimum every day. More if you work out, more if it's hot. I use this. I have this Contigo bottle. It's a straw one. I swear it's why I'm drinking more water. I carry it with me, and it's easy to get water in. You got to drink more water. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to help you keep going again throughout the day. And then my last tip, because I'm trying to keep this quick, so I'm like going, you're going to need to put together a routine. It's hard at first, but just start doing a schedule. You do certain things in the morning, you do certain things at night. So for myself, I have to work out before 10 a.m. So usually around 9, I go and do my workout. I come back down. I have more often it's like a protein smoothie or something with like cauliflower and strawberries and protein powder. So I make sure I get those in. Or like today, I wanted something different. I felt like chewing my food. So I made an egg with avocado and a sourdough muffin, English muffin, and berries. So you have a routine, workout, eat, drink, whatever it is. Then maybe you're going to go get some work done or play with the kids or take them to the park. Like you start getting in a routine and you find that it's easier to throw in these healthier habits. And when you're going to the park or you're going running errands, have some snacks with you. So have like a quarter cup of almonds in a little bag. Bring your carrots and hummus. Like you can get those little packing lunch kits. I'm not saying like haul all these meals with you, but if you know you're going to be gone for a few hours, have a little lunch kit and have some carrots. It'll keep you going. Or a muffin that you made. Or my brain is laying here. Oh, banana. Like there's so many different things that you can do. Something that's easy to grab and go. Bring that with you. Again, it's going to keep you going throughout your busy day. So I hope these tips helped you. If you are looking for more healthy recipe ideas, go to randanutrition.com/nutrition library. There I have an amazing resource. There's 2 meal plans that I did for you. It has a kid-friendly one as well. So like there's healthy chicken fingers in it. And it kind of teaches you like some ideas what you can do to swap your, I don't want to say unhealthy foods, but foods that won't fuel you as much with other foods. And you'll kind of start seeing what these swaps are, and you'll be able to start doing it on your own. So sign up for that. And if you have any other tips, drop them in the comments and we will chat later. Bye. Oh.